Shopify. Hey there, my name is Zed Howie, and this is Howie Grow a Brand. 1, 2, 3. If you like what you learned from this video, help us promote this channel by clicking the like button below and subscribing to our channel. Ready to go? Let's get into today's chat. So today we're chatting with Shaneika Burchell-Kerr, CEO and founder of Breakthrough to Entrepreneur. Shaneika helps entrepreneurs just like you start, launch, and build their own online businesses. With her online programs, her one-on-one coaching, and her continuing education programs that she offers out of New York and Connecticut, she's helped thousands of entrepreneurs start, launch, and grow their online business. Join me as I chat with Shaneika. Let's do this. Okay, so here visiting with Shaneika Burchell-Kerr. Shaneika, oh my gosh. Okay, so e-commerce is your world. You started as a traditional entrepreneur, bricks and mortar, door to door. You know, you've been like in all the ways you can sell, and you've settled into e-commerce world. Why e-commerce? Why e-commerce?
Well, e-commerce, I'll just put it this way. It allows you to wake up to profit. It allows you to make
I love
money
that.
when you sleep.
Wake up to
Anything
profit.
that can help you make money when you sleep, that's the way to go. That's the dream.
I love that. I love that. Okay, so Shopify. I know that you are a big believer in Shopify as a platform. Why Shopify? As you're looking at all the options, why Shopify?
They are simply the best. I want to say that over the years of being in e-commerce, this year, it's sad to say it's during a pandemic and, all that's happening. It has been the most successful year in my e-commerce business, and my students have reported the same, and I love everything about it. There are so many reasons why, but let me just tell you, a few reasons why. I'll highlight a few. The platform is easy to use, right? That's one. It's very easy. It's user-friendly. Many people who are intimidated by coding, and they don't know anything about coding like I do. I knew nothing about coding. I need something that's an easy, drag and drop here and there, and I'm good to go. And that's what Shopify offers with its easy to use platform, and its themes are just so easy to use, right? Two is it offers apps.
Before you say that, can you explain what a theme is for folks who've never done this before?
Awesome.
What do you mean by theme?
Yes, definitely. The theme is actually that beautiful landing page that you create on your site, right? It's pretty much a pre-template that they give you that you can, optimize. You can edit it to make it your own branding.
They don't all have to look alike.
Yes, those are super easy in Shopify. You don't have to use any coding for them. They're already pre-built for you, right? So your banners and your products on the front page and everything that you want to show up for your customers when they land on your home page, that's what the theme does for you.
And what's cool about those is you can turn them on or off. You don't have to use them all. It's like you have like all the ingredients to make incredible cookies, but you get to choose what to put in there.
Exactly.
Love it.
Exactly. And you can switch it up. You can build themes.
You better switch it up, right?
Yeah, exactly. You can build your themes behind the scenes so that no one else sees what's going on and switch that overnight. It just makes you feel like a pro. But yeah, it's very user friendly. Another thing is that it offers apps which allows newbies to find products to sell. So that's what I also love about is that you can come in without a product in hand.
So Shopify can actually help you like figure out what business to start?
Yes, definitely. You don't have to come into Shopify with a product in hand. You can definitely launch your brand. You'll find your products in there. They have apps that will allow you to do that. They have companies that have developed apps that sync with Shopify. So you're able to do t-shirts and mugs and put your branding on anything, your own designs on anything. And then you're able to ship products that your suppliers can ship for you worldwide. Right. And that's one of the greatest things and the greatest benefit about Shopify is that you don't have to have a product. You can sell anywhere in the world, just about, and you can sell from anywhere in the world. So you have no excuse if you're trying to get online to do a business.
I love that.
I could list another one. So the third one is that, it's optimized for conversion. So starting from the eye-catching developed themes to its analytics tools that kind of help you to pay attention to what your customers are doing on your site, to the marketing tools that help you to reach your customers on Shopify, off Shopify, and the gateway options that they give you. You can use their gateway, or you can actually create your own manual gateway. I mean,
So two things. What is a gate? So what's a gateway for people that have never done? Yep.
Awesome. So the payment gateway is just an option for you to take credit cards online. And
your cash
you
register.
can take you can take credit cards. You can have cash on delivery. You can create your own, like I've done Western Union for people who are overseas, who are not able to use their credit cards, or they don't want to use their credit cards. You could do Cash App, you could do Venmo, you can do all these payment, PayPal, everything that, that you have available. You can integrate those into Shopify.
Let's talk a little bit to the person who's launched. If you could only do 3 things to drive traffic to an e-commerce store, what would you do?
Well, the first thing is that to make sure my branding is on point, and it gives the right message. Giving the right message with your branding, make sure that's good. Your landing page speaks about your brand. It speaks about your products. It attracts the right customers. The second thing is to spend time on the product, because a lot of times our products are good, but because we don't spend enough time on it to make sure that our pictures are high quality, or even if you have a video of what your product does and showing your consumers how they can use it, or even telling them in your descriptions how they can use it and how, that they resonate with your products. And just remembering that, hey, you have competition, so they can go somewhere else. So spending time on the product descriptions, your social proof on those products is important as a new e-commerce person. Making sure that your checkout options fits their lifestyle. So if you're running ads to your store and you don't have the checkout option for someone who's in England and they can't see the currency in British, it can be an issue for you in the long run, and it causes a lot of abandoned carts and frustrations, because you're thinking, oh my God, people are coming but they're not buying. And I hear that a lot when I
Isn't that amazing?
Say, let me see what's going on here, and we check it out. We're like, okay, we have people coming from Ireland, we have people from Canada, but they can't see the currency on their store.
Every detail matters.
Not able to have that currency switcher on your store, they'll go somewhere that can show it to them. And they have no time to be emailing you and asking you, hey, how much is this in Canadian dollars? No. So
exactly.
They can go somewhere else.
So how do you get them to the store? How do you get them to your site?
So first you have to, have that social media presence. That's important. Everyone's on social media, Facebook and Instagram and Twitter and wherever, right? Pinterest, whichever social media. The most popular, Facebook and Instagram, everyone's there. And they offer marketing opportunities. So if you are driving traffic through marketing, that's how you're going to get your social audience to your website. Yep. But the key thing is that you have to be able to know your audience and drive the right audience to your website.
And those principles of retailing and marketing, you talk about it. You talk about your landing page is really making sure your store is set. You talk about spending time with the product. That's the merchandising. That's the storytelling. And then the insurance that you can check it out. We say that for a product to sell, it has to be sellable and craveable. Sellable, you have to actually be able to do the transaction, right? Exactly. Craveable is that someone loves it so much, like you said, they tell someone else, and that's where those shares over social can just drive and drive and drive, and those shares don't cost you money at all.
I love the way you put that,
Awesome.
I really love the way you put that, and I must admit, I'm the person that if I don't try my clothes and my shoes on, I'm not leaving the store with it. So I do understand the importance of social proof and, sharing. And until we get that, like very few people are not going to try things, especially male. They probably won't try stuff on. They'll take it home and then they want to return it. That's not my husband. He does the same thing. But the difference between me and him, he can't go shopping with me because I gotta try on stuff and he don't so but for him, I'll go shopping with him any days. He just
know your customer. Know your customer. Awesome. Well, Shaneika, always great to visit with you. Thanks for bringing the joy and the brains. And I know there are going to be people that want to find more about this from you. How can people find you?
Definitely. I would love to connect with you if you're interested in, connecting with me. My email is help@breakthroughtoentrepreneur.com. My website is www.breakthroughtoentrepreneur.com. And you can schedule an appointment with me to discuss your business goals at calendly.com/Shaneika Burchell-Kerr. And you can reach out to me on WhatsApp as well at 347-575-8654.
I love it. You have a beautiful day. Thanks, Shaneika.
Thank you so much, Ed, for having me.
All righty. Thank you. Hey, I really hope this helps and inspires your day. If any of this works on your business this week, I'd love to hear about it in the comments, or hey, just message me. Can't wait to see what we chat about next time on How We Grow a Brand. We'll see you soon.